Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. These are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. So you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Six of Suns in reverse, Three of Spheres and Two of Spheres in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really happy because you have people helping you, guiding you and working with you in a very friendly manner. You have friends and family around you who are really concerned about you and you feel really happy and they are appreciating your skills and talents and your reputation is growing today in your work or it may be in your relationship. So this person you love, they are appreciating you for what you are, your good characteristics, and they are someone really friendly, honest, loving and caring, and this person supports you in whatever way, and they are a very kind and compassionate person just like you are. So you have mutual love, understanding and trust with this person and you feel really happy to be with them, to be in this connection with this person. And maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person is not like what you expected. Maybe you may have some minor doubts on this person. You may feel that they are quite jealous of you for some reason because of your growing reputation or the way other people feel about you. But with these cards I can say that they are really honest, trustworthy, and you need not think that they are jealous or they are thinking badly about you. So this person, maybe the words they speak or the way they are may give you some doubts, but in truth they are really honest and devoted to you and they are really friendly. They may go out of the way helping you in your situation, Cancers. And this person is maybe they have something to tell you and they may be sending you some message or email, or it may be a love letter. If you are single, it may be a love letter reaching you today from this person, someone interesting. Or if you are already in a relationship, this person wants to tell you something important and it is coming through a message or letters today, Cancers. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. We have one more card and it is Two of Suns in reverse. So for your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So maybe you need to be ready for something unexpected. Maybe this letter, maybe the unexpected surprise coming to you, or something coming. It may be a new decision this person is making, or something catching you by surprise. So, some kind of change is coming, surprise is coming to you today. Cancers, you need to be prepared for it. It will be a happy surprise, that is what I see. So, for your career situation, we have picked one card, we will see what it is. It's Nine of Suns in reverse. So, in your work situation, there may be some delays, something may not work well, sudden obstacles you may see in your circumstances, but you need to be really careful, you need to be really focused. If you are focused, you will avoid these difficulties. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow, Cancer. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Cancer. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have fairies, words. So words are the most powerful things, guys. We all know that. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you should watch your thoughts within your head and change them and to speak the words of beauty. So this does not mean that you have to flatter someone or give into falsehoods. It is the energy here is to find the beauty within yourself, find the beauty in the people and the world around you, in every situation, and speak with this beauty and from this beauty within you. To do this, you must change the ugliness or the distortions you have in your mind, the ugly thoughts, whatever it is, that poisonous from within. So we must give up all those toxic thoughts we have. So there is work to be done at a deeper level in your mind. So when you have worked your mind, your consciousness, the words that fall from your lips, it will be like jewels falling from the lips of this princess here. So it is that external evidence of your inner beauty. So you need to work at the deeper level first. Give up all the toxic thoughts you have and find that beauty within yourself. That beauty is going to come out in the words you speak. So you need to do that work, and you have that beauty in you to offer this world. So just like rain falls from the clouds, something beautiful will come out of you if you have that inner beauty. And also, good deeds are always rewarded. So no matter what you do, maybe it may be something small or something big, whatever it is, when you do something good, it comes back to you definitely. And there is someone in your circumstance who needs your help, and you are a very kind and compassionate person. You are thinking of helping this person, maybe for some of you, And imitating someone is not the way for success. Being like someone else is not going to take you anywhere. All you need to do is change yourself from deep within, give up all the negativity you have, and embrace your beauty within yourself. That is going to change you, that is going to change your circumstance and the world around you. So, that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So, I will keep this card aside. So, we will see what is the second card. Sorry, guys. Poised. So, with this card, it just means that you are confident about yourself today, confident about your skills and talents, confident about the way you are today. You are ready, you have come to this place, you are wise, knowledgeable, and you have a feeling that something new or some new phase of your life is beginning. And people respond to your confidence and they trust you. And this may also be the auspicious time for you to begin something new. So, in your relationship also, if you are confident and happy in your own skin, you are ready for a deeper and more intimate relationship. And there is nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and you can handle anything. Love, friendship, or all those new connections that are coming right now towards you. You are ready to receive love and give love from your heart. And this is a very beautiful place to be. So you have that balance and that harmonious outlook on life, confidence that is going to help you to face any circumstance today in this relationship, to be that person you want to be. You are at the best right now. That is what this card is about. And there is something new coming in your life today. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.